In continuation of our video lectures, current electricity part 2. Today we will work out problems based on the circuits. Now first problem. In this first problem, we need to calculate the potential difference between the points A and B in the following circuit. Each resistance is 5 ohms here 5 ohms, other 5 ohms here. Now you have to calculate the potential difference between A and B. Battery voltage is 2 volts. Like this circuit given means you must redraw the circuit and work out the problem. Now how do you redraw means here redrawing the circuit means battery will be taken some other side and then this resistors accordingly will replace it. Okay. Now you have to calculate the potential difference between A and B. Now if you redraw the circuit here, you are like this, you have to redraw. Now here A, here B, 2 volts, here 5 ohms, 5 ohms, here also 5 ohms, here also 5 ohms, here also 5 ohms. Now there is one shortcut formula like these problems. Here I'll do the shortcut here. Here in this case the shortcut will be like this. Suppose R1, R2 are the resistances, V is the net voltage, V1, V2 are the potential difference across the resistors. Now what you have to do is here for V1 if you want to calculate, you should take R1 by R1 plus R2 into total potential difference V. Suppose across R2 you want to find out, what you should do, R2 V2 is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 into V. Now this technique I will apply here in this case. Now here the current will be going like this. You have to use Kirchhoff laws in this shortcut. If you use, you get the answer very easily. Okay. Now here, now in this, what is the potential difference here for this 5 by here 5 by is R1, total resistance how much? R1 plus R2. If you take like this, total resistance is, suppose if you take this as R1, this as R1, will take this as R2, right? R1 by R1 plus R2. So for that what you will do here, for potential difference here, V1 will take. Now here R1 is 5 by 15 into 2. 5 by 15 into 2. What you get here? Here it is 2 by 3 volts. Okay. Now second case what you have? V2 here. Now here V2 means here this is 10 by 15 into 10 by 15 into 2. How much you get here? 10 by this is 10 by 15 into 2. Now here 10 by 15, 20 by 15, that is 4 by 3 you get here. Okay, here we get 4 by 3. Now here if you use Kirchhoff laws here, it is going opposite here, opposite direction of current you are going. So here what you should take, VA plus, you should take plus 2 by 3 voltage. Here in the direction of current potential will be negative, minus 4 by 3 is equal to VB. Now if you take VA minus VB, how much will be 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Here it is 3. Here it is how much here you are getting? This is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 taken this side. 4 by 3 is taken this side. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3 volts. This is the easiest method you can follow. That circuit you have to return and write it. This is first problem. Now second one. Second problem is two cells of EMFs, two cells X and Y. X of EMF 6 volts, internal resistance 2 ohms. Y is EMF is 4 volts, internal resistance 8 ohms, connected to external resistance R is equal to 10 ohms. Now we need to find the terminal voltage of Y. Terminal voltage of Y. Now if you draw the circuit diagram here, this is X and this is Y, external resistance, this is X and this is Y. Now what are the here? X how much? 6 volts, internal resistance 2 ohms, this Y is 4 volts, internal resistance 8 ohms. Okay, next this is 10 ohms. Current will be passing like this. You across Y, you want to find out potential difference. Now if you apply Kirchhoff's laws here, what do you get? If you apply Kirchhoff's laws here, in this direction if you go, along the path A, B, C, D like this. A. Along the path A, B, C, D will go. Now here 4, this is I current passing out. 4 minus 8I minus 6 minus 2I minus 10I is equal to 0. That is how much here you got here? Here 4 plus only, here voltage plus. So 10 is equal to 20I. I is equal to how much here? 10 by 20. I is equal to 10 by 20, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 amperes. 0.5 amperes you have. Now in this, the potential difference across the terminals of the terminal voltage across Y means V is equal to E minus IR. What is voltage here? 4. What is resistance here? Internal resistance 8. Current is 5. 5 into 8. How much? 4 minus 4? 0. Terminal potential difference across Y, how much? 0. This is the second problem. Now, the third one is based on the in this problem. See here once, there are n rows of cells here, n rows, each having m cells, are in series and parallel. This battery of cells is sending maximum current. The internal resistance of each cell is 0.5. Then find m and n. And then there are 24 cells. There are total how much? Total number of cells is cells is 24. So m cells, n rows. So m into n. So here m into n is 24. Now here for maximum current, what you have is m into small r is equal to n into big R. What is m? Number of cells. Internal resistance how much here? Internal resistance is m into 0.5 is equal to N into external resistance. How much here? This battery, N rolls and battery maximum current, and it is internal resistance of each cell is 0.5, and in a battery and resistance, external resistance is 3 ohms. External resistance is 3 ohms. So here we write 3. So what do you get here? M is equal to M by 2 is equal to 0.5. Cancel here. M is equal to 6N. If you substitute here, 6N into N is equal to 24. N square is equal to 4. N is equal to, how much here? N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means, N is equal to 2 means, M is equal to how much? 6 into 2. That is 12 cells in 2 rows. That is 24 total. 12 cells in each row. 2 rows are there. Total cells will be 24. This is the answer. Okay. Next we have, in the following circuit, find the reading of the ammeter. In the following circuit, find the reading of the ammeter. Now in this, here you got like this circuit. Here like this, 3 ohms here. Here 2 ohms. Here 3 ohms, 2 ohms, and then 6 ohms. Here 4 ohms. Voltage is 2 volts. Here ammeter is there. In this type of circuits, you take 6, 3 and 2. You can use Kirchhoff's laws, but it takes lengthy method. Simple method is 3, 6, 6, 3 and 2 are in parallel. So parallel means 1 by R is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 by R is equal to 6 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 plus 3. R is equal to how much? 1 ohm. R is equal to 1 ohm. So this will be in series with 4 ohms. Like this you can write now. 4 and 1, 2 volts. So here these two are series. V is equal to IR. Now what you have got? T is equal to 5 into I, that is I is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means here 0.4 amperes.